Hi, my name is Carlos Arroyo. I'm gonna talk about of music and a song that is called Latinoamerica by René Calle 13. What is music? Music is the art of combining sound in a specific sequence according to the law of harmony, melody, and rhythm, which usually produce an aesthetic or expressive effect and is pleasure to the ear. Music for me is a form to express how you feel. The person who listens music can relate his life through the lyric. Also, music can make you feel better if you are sadness. Music also communicate a message or feelings. Why music is so important? The music is important for the people because it can help us to relate with other cultures and language without need of travel. Music create a good ambience like in the parties, sport, timeouts, and movies. Sometimes music inspired to be more creative also is good for reliving moments that happened in the past. Music can reflect personal experience. Sometimes when you are listening music, you can start laughing or crying because you remember happy or sad memory, and that's when your personal experience are reflected through the music. In other words, you feel identified with the lyrics. The song that I choose is called Latinoamerica. I hear this song for the first time in 2012 when I was in 8th grade. The song was published in September of 2012 by the band Calle 13. The overall mood of this song this song is a really energetic. It has a patriotism lyrics. The mood of his song is euphoric. The author uses a figurative language through the song. For example, when he said, "Soy Maradona contra Inglaterra anotándote 2 goles," is an allusion. With these 2 goals by Diego Maradona, Argentina got Soccer World Cup championship over Inglaterra. Latin America dominate the colonizer at sport. It's like they are superior. Metaphor. When he said, "El otoño con sus hojas desmayadas." In autumn, leaves fall and paint the floor of color. Looking beautiful also represent a change and something new is born. Personification. He talks about houses that are located at the coast in front of the sea, although the sea can't vigilate the houses, it always stayed there. That figurative language gives meaning to the song because the author sings it in first person and all the time he is mentioning things with which he feels identified. Almost things that he mentioning use a figurative language. The singer of the song. René Pérez Joglar, as known like Residente, is a Puerto Rican artist. He has 14 years. He is his career started in 2004 with the band Calle 13. Almost of these songs talk about social issues and politics. René defends the education of Latino Americans and the rights of the Indians. He is an independentist. He helps a poor people. He has recognition for humanity efforts. He is a controversial artist. He was mute in the radio of Puerto Rico. He feels passion for all another cultures. He is a patriotism man. A special word that author uses through the song. René used a lot of slang of different countries like coyote is an animal also is who help people to cross the border. Example of the song. Un trago de pulque para cantar con los coyotes. Bruto. Someone act like an ignorant or idiot also is known as someone that is working really hard. Example. Trabajo bruto pero con orgullo. Overall message of the song. Rene in this song indirectly with his figurative language talk about how colonizers steal things like culture, land, people, and they exploit the employees, also exploit the raw material. But Latin Americans are strong and get up more stronger and decide to move forward together because together people are more stronger. In personal experience, I feel identified with this song because I'm Latin American and here in Puerto Rico, us ancestors live in own experience the robbers of the colonizers, but we are still fighting against the government. And the reference.